If you love gardening, you already know that having the right tools can make a huge difference. Whether you're planting flowers, removing weeds, or maintaining your backyard garden, the quality of your tools directly affects how easy and enjoyable the work is. Today we're taking a closer look at the Grow It Heavy-Duty Gardening Tool Set, a complete 23-piece kit designed for both beginners and experienced gardeners. This set promises durability, comfort, and convenience all in one package. But is it really worth it? Let's find out. Before we dive deeper, if you enjoy honest product reviews like this, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful reviews. First, let's talk about what you actually get in this set. One of the biggest highlights of the Grow It Gardening Tools Kit is that it includes 23 different pieces, giving you almost everything you need to take care of your garden. Inside the set you'll find essential tools such as a shovel, hand rake, crack weeder, regular weeder, pruner, and even a spray bottle. On top of that, it also includes 15 plant tags, a pair of protective gardening gloves, and a heavy-duty garden tote bag to keep everything organized. This means you don't have to buy multiple tools separately. Instead, you get a complete gardening toolkit in one convenient package. Now let's talk about the build quality, because that's one of the most important factors when it comes to gardening tools. The Grow It tool set is made from high-quality aluminum alloy, which makes the tools strong, durable, and resistant to rust and corrosion. This is particularly important if you frequently work in moist soil or outdoor conditions where regular metal tools can easily rust over time. Another advantage of aluminum alloy is that it's lightweight, which makes the tools easier to handle during longer gardening sessions. If you've ever spent an hour pulling weeds or digging soil, you know how quickly heavy tools can cause hand fatigue. The lightweight construction helps reduce that strain. Speaking of comfort, the ergonomic handle design is another feature worth mentioning. Each tool is designed with a comfortable grip that fits naturally in your hand. The handles are soft yet sturdy, providing a secure grip that prevents slipping while you work. Whether you're planting delicate flowers or removing stubborn weeds, the comfortable design helps you stay in control. But before we continue, if this review is helping you decide whether this tool set is right for you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss future product reviews. Now let's quickly talk about the pros and cons of the Grow It Heavy-Duty Gardening Tool Set. Starting with the pros. First, the set offers great value because you get 23 pieces in a single package. That's a lot of tools for one purchase. Second, the aluminum alloy construction makes the tools durable, rust-proof, and long-lasting. Third, the ergonomic handles make them comfortable to use, even during long gardening sessions. Fourth, the included garden tote bag makes it easy to organize and carry all your tools without losing them. However, there are a couple of minor cons to consider. Some users might feel that the tools are slightly smaller than full-size professional gardening tools, which may not be ideal for heavy landscaping work. Also, while the bag is convenient, it may not be as rugged as heavy-duty professional tool storage bags. Still, for most home gardeners, these are very small drawbacks compared to the overall value of the set. Another feature that makes this kit stand out is that it can also work as a perfect gift for gardeners. If you have a friend, family member, or loved one who enjoys gardening, this set can be a thoughtful and practical gift. It's suitable for men and women alike, and it's especially great for gifting to a wife, mom, daughter, or even grandparents who enjoy spending time in the garden. The addition of plant tags and gloves also makes the kit more beginner-friendly. The tags help you label plants or seedlings, while the gloves protect your hands from dirt, thorns, and rough soil. The garden tote bag is another practical addition. Instead of leaving tools scattered around your shed or garage, you can keep everything organized in one place. When it's time to work in the garden, you simply grab the bag and carry all your tools with you. This saves time and keeps your gardening space neat and organized. And if you're enjoying this review so far, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more reviews like this. Overall, the Grow It Heavy-Duty Gardening Tools Set is a well-rounded gardening kit that offers durability, comfort, and convenience. With its rust-proof aluminum tools, ergonomic handles, and useful accessories like plant tags, gloves, and a storage bag, it provides everything most gardeners need to maintain a healthy and beautiful garden. While it may not replace professional heavy landscaping tools, it's an excellent option for everyday gardening tasks such as planting, weeding, pruning, and soil maintenance. If you're looking for a complete gardening tool set that is practical, durable, and easy to use, the Grow It 23-piece set is definitely worth considering. You can check the product link in the description and comments below if you want to learn more or see the current price. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.